My name is Gaurav Sharma and I handle marketing at Galaxy Packtech Private Limited, and we are the manufacturer of pouch making machines, and we have been into this business in 2001, and we provide total pouching solution. So we have every kind of pouching machine to manufacture, whether it's center seal pouch making machine, three side seal zipper, stand up zipper, and even three side gusset pouch making machine. So one major difference is our machines are designed to manufacture, to produce pouches even in very harsh conditions. You know the Indian reality, nobody has time to do, small maintenance and those kinds of things. So our machines are very economic and they are very like zero maintenance machines, and they give a very high output. And the life of our machine is like, we are 21-year-old company, as I told you. So the first machine that we sold 21 years back, it's still functional and it's still running. So we were thinking that there might not be that much footfall, but we are really surprised with the interest people are showing, the South Indian community and the Hyderabadi people. So we are in fact producing biryani pouches in exhibition. We are really happy with the footfall, and we are thinking that this might be a step ahead. This will give us a boost into the market, and we will come back again shortly to the next exhibition. Thank you.